You might be familiar with many drivers that are used in your laptop. These different drivers have their own properties in their related field of application. It comes as latest technology and constitutes as an important component in laptop manufacturing. While repairing a laptop, it is necessary to have understanding of how these drivers are installed in a laptop for various properties. Before we start, let us study the meaning of offline driver. What is an offline driver? These are drivers which are needed to be installed or upgraded in your computer system whenever the system is formatted to prepare the surface to store new data. A LAN card driver is a software program that acts as translator for LAN card and the computer operation system that will be accessing it. Video driver are those programs that allow graphic mode application programs and operating system to display at a chosen resolution with the desired number of colors. Video drivers may need to match the video adapter installed in the system. Printer driver are those drivers that convert the data to be printed to the form specific to a printer. The purpose of printer driver is to allow application to do printing without being aware of technical details of each printer model. Now you will learn about audio driver installation. Before beginning, let us understand the meaning of audio drivers. An audio driver is a type of computer file used by the computer operating system to recognize and properly interact with an audio device. It usually refers to the driver used for sound card within a laptop. Drivers are in general software files installed on your computer or laptop to help devices and other type of hardware to run properly within a laptop. In order for an operating system installed on your computer to recognize everything else connected to that laptop. There are many methods of installing audio driver in laptop. You can do installing by downloading the important Windows update in your laptop. You can also install with the help of disk provided to you by the device manufacturer or download these drivers directly from manufacturer's website. The installation of audio driver by downloading Windows updates includes some simple steps which are needed to follow. First, click on Start menu and then go to Control Panel. Then from Control Panel, select Automatic Updates. You can see a toolbar that opens on your screen. You have to click an automatic to download recommended update for my computer and install them. Now choose time and day when you want update that can be shown to you, whether weekly, daily or every day. Always choose the earliest possible day and time available to download Windows Update and resolve your audio problem as soon as possible. After this, click on Apply shown on bottom right corner. This will lead to installing Update Audio Driver when available. So, as you have been told about other methods, out of which one is installing audio driver from manufacturer disk. Let's have a look on these steps how to perform installation. Firstly, insert the disk which contain computer software drivers onto the disk tray of computer. The next step, track on screen prompt to reinstall audio driver in Windows XP. As you are suggested to refer computer manual if you need more help for installing the audio driver with the help of the disk. Another method of installing the audio driver is to download them from manufacturers. For this, go to Start menu, then click Run command. When you perform this step, a dialog box gets open and asks you to give name of the program. Then type DXDIAG in that box. After giving the name, click OK. After this, click on Sound tab shown on your screen. Two section Devices and Drives hat gets open. Now you need to note down the name of computer sound card shown next to name under segment label Devices. In Drivers section, note the name of sound card maker. Then complete the process by clicking on Exit. To start Internet browser, go to Start menu and then click on Internet Explorer. Now search and go to website of computer's audio device manufacturer by using internet. Keep searching for audio driver on that website and download it. To download audio driver, you must follow the installation instruction and wait till downloads gets completed. I hope you can learn about the installation of other drives by following these simple steps in the same way as you done for audio drivers. Thank you.